What's up everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to Like Sneak channel. In this special episode I will be doing a one-off unboxing and reaction video for the highly sought after Kith, Asics and X-Men collaboration, in which I was fortunate enough to have won it through the Kith app via the raffle. To keep this straight to the point, every box comes with one of my all-time favourite Asics model, the Gel-Lyte III, and a trading card which comes with a grading depending on the colour variant, in which some are rare and limited, and no one knows what colourway or card they'll be getting unless you open it and take a look inside. So there are 7 colorways in which each represents an X-Men character. The yellow and blue Wolverine from the 1975 is the rarest of the 7. It is interesting that everyone has their own favourite lists. So the ones I want the most in terms of ranking is obviously the yellow and blue Wolverine, Cyclops, the Wolverine yellow and red, Beast I am okay with, Gambit and Rogue not so, and the last is Storm. I know it is a safe colour to wear, but for me, being a special collab, black and white is too generic. So I'm going to start the unboxing. Very nice sleeve cover. Nice box too. So before I open this, I know that there will be a trading card that is stored inside it and which reveals the colorway of the sneaker inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to carefully take the sneaker out and then leave the trading card inside. Whoops, feel it. Okay, there we go. So the card is still inside. Very nice sealed forward bag with the character. Very nice indeed. So I'm prepared with my pair of scissors. Here we go. Okay, this is nerve-wracking and also very exciting. So I'm going to slowly take these shoes out from the bag and I'll keep my eyes closed. Okay, so I can feel it's leather. So it could be either Wolverine yellow and blue, Wolverine yellow and red, or perhaps Rogue, which I'm not really keen on. Okay, moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Ooh! The Wolverine yellow and red. Very happy. My third choice. So potentially out of 3.5, I've got the third favourite one, which is I'm very happy with, and yeah, I don't know what to say. Wow. Wow. Very nice colour. Nice materials too. Oh, spare laces. Ooh. Here you go. Very nice. Yes, I'm very happy. Definitely keep this in the collection. Wow. It's Wolverine. Very nice. Oh. Very impressed with the materials actually. Nice leather. I think it's dark, very dark brown. Also nice red tiger stripes, Yes, very happy actually, very happy. So, let's look at the trading card. Hopefully it's one of those color variants. It's a pink one. I'm not sure whether it's a PSU or PSA authenticated, but it's a 1 of 179. Go. So, to conclude this unboxing, absolutely delighted with having these pairs and which one of the colours I definitely wanted, and I'll be doing a proper full depth review and on-feet footage sometime later on. So thank you for stopping by, and hope you enjoyed this video. So if you do, please leave a like, subscribe, share this video and channel, and please leave your comments on whether you do like this colourway or not. And I shall see you in the next video.